Hey, this is Dave with the Shepherd School, and what you're looking at is a bone stock 12 gauge Remington 870 Express, just like they sell at the sporting goods store, you know, or the section at Walmart. Okay? And the reason I've got this video is because a couple weeks ago, one of our coworkers was robbed. Gang in Nashville came in, scoped the place out, took all the stuff. And so at work, we've been having discussions about personal safety. And one of my coworkers was asking me, you know, because I'm the gun guy, about sawing off his shotgun. He didn't want a pistol, but he had a shotgun. He wanted to know about sawing it off. And I said, you know, why saw it off? You know, and worry about, you know, whether you did it right or all that. Why don't you just go spend $100 on a shorter barrel? And he said, you can do that. I said, yeah, sure. And so for my 870, I went and bought an 18.5-inch barrel, beaded front sight, police choke, right? 18.5 inches, which is the legal minimum, right? Anything shorter would require, you know, federal paperwork and a tax stamp and all that, okay? And so by using the shorter barrel, it makes it simpler for me. Plus, if I ever want to go out hunting, I could put the new barrel back on. If you saw it off, obviously you could do that. So to switch it out, it's pretty simple. First thing you want to do, just like if you're going to do any gunsmithing work, you want to make sure you don't have any rounds, you know, in the area, okay? You want to make sure that your firearm is clear. Got the action open. Visually and physically inspect the chamber. No rounds. Check the follower. No rounds. You know, rack it a couple times just to make doubly, triply sure, okay? In order to switch out a Remington 870 barrel, all you have to do is have the slide to the rear. Halfway is fine, but I just have it all the way up to the rear. You unscrew the magazine release, or the end cap for the magazine tube, and it pulls right off. Then you take the new one, slide it back on. Screw your end piece back on. Function check it. Yep, everything works. And that is all there is to that. So if you want to get a personal defense, home defense shotgun with a shorter barrel, you can spend about $100 and just buy a shorter barrel, and that's all you got to do. All right? So until next time, you can always catch us online, www.tngun.com.